Hi, this video is on how to use restrictions to make things appear differently for different groups of students. This is in reference specifically to activity number 3, using AI to level material. And we're going to take a look at how to do that, not how to level materials, that's the item of a separate assignment, but how to make different students see different items. So let's take a look at that. If we're in our in any Moodle course, and I'm going to go down and go to the bottom to a practice area down here that I've got, and I'm going to turn editing on, and I'm going to add an activity, I'm sorry, a resource for students for one grade level, and then lower it for reading for a different grade level. So I'm going to go to resources, and I'm going to add a page. And this page is going to be the information for this particular section of my class. So to make it easy, I'm going to start by using Diffit to do a lesson I'm going to do in class anyways that I don't have material for. So I asked Diffit to build this at the 10th grade reading level. Specifically, I said they're going to use Windows and Linux, and I wanted reading to be able to give them on why Linux and reading or Linux and Windows are used differently. So I'm going to use this text. I'm going to go ahead and copy it into my new page. And I'm going to put the title actually up here, not in there. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that image and toss it in the top of my assignment up here. But it's huge. So if I don't double click on it, and I'm going to say Linux, Windows. Okay, so right now this one says not available unless you do not belong to IEP students. I need to do the opposite with this one. So I'm going to go here and go to edit settings. I'm going to go down to restrict access. I'm going to add a restriction. I'm going to add a group, and I'm going to say IEP. And I'm going to poke it in the eye again. So you must be an IEP. This poke it in the eye says A, you can't see the restrictions, so they don't know the restrictions there. And B, if you're not in that group, you don't even see this activity at all. I'm going to hit save and return to course. And right now it says down here, if I get to the bottom, so the people that are not on an IEP will see this one. The people that are on an IEP will see this one. But this is an example of how to give different student groups different content based on their reading level, their IEP, their 504. And that is Moodle restrictions.